back-to-back meets. This one's right next to the pad too. Hell yeah. Feels good to be back outside. Good lineup. That shit fire. That shit tough. M340. Time is money. SVJ is bad. Big body. Damn, now we got the mopars. That pink is nice. Fire. This shit fire. I fuck with it. We got a fire hydrant. Z06. A yellow Z06. Infinities and G's. My dumb ass said infinities and G's. Infinities and fucking Nissans. I like the demon lights. This is the fire. What the fuck? Damn. And it's lady driven. This shit bad as hell. This orange is fire. Not gonna lie, I wouldn't. Right hand drive. Is that one dude? I think just that one dude from back in the days. The Crown Vics. What else is around here? Another vet. seen the homie Zay. Zay way. Some flowers. The Z01. I hear Crispy on his fucking microphone. Hell yeah. Bro, I think these rims on Beamers go hard. I think those rims are fire. And it's M4. R7. Should I try Habibi's hot chicken? Should I check them out? Let's see how expensive they are. Damn. Another right hand. Bro, I didn't even peep the R8. I didn't even peep this half first. Matte black R8's fire. That's your fire, boys. Got up there like 10 minutes early to go scoop my mom. That fucking turbo. With the white body? Crazy. LS6. That shit is bad. God damn. I'm gonna go scoop up some churros for me and my mom so she can get out of work. W Doggo. What's the dog's name? Let me go back to buy my churros. Thank you.
Technically it's 6, 5 is fine.
Man,
I upped it $1 because I'm not bringing out as much product no more. But 5 is fine. You buy from me so much.
good luck to you. All right? I got you next time.
Yeah, thank you, bro. I'm sure you do. I appreciate it.
Nah, I appreciate it.
Oh, look at your boy.
Let me go check out.
So far I gave you vanilla.
Let me check out that fucking FD. Shout out to Crispy. 5.
See, Ellis.
5. Bro had the AC blasting. 5. Oh, it looked like he about to go join in on the trouble. Now we gotta find a way to move through the crowd. Watch this voice. We cut up demons in fucking walking traffic. What I tell you? think she's going back to park. Yeah. Damn, that shit blew my ears out. That nigga tripping in the parking lot. Bro, it's tripping in the parking lot. That shit chomping like a motherfucker. He got everybody following him. Don't leave. Hey, that's a loud ass chomp. Skinny front tires. Yeah, he not fucking around. Oh yeah. That's right. Bro, I gotta put these fucking churros in the car. And I don't even got a chance to make it to the car yet. Now let me hurry up and get to the whip. Drop the churros off. And we back in this bitch. I think I parked down here. Jeez. Shout out to bitch. Hey, this M2 is fire.
Chill out, chill out. False alarm, false alarm.
Got our boosted already.
Get back, get back.
The C5 is fire.
If you guys want to flavor churros, tap in. If y'all want them,
That shit's boosted. Fat ass Let's check out the whips right here real quick. One last time. That shit tough. That shit right.
I remember the first time I seen you, bro. You guys did not.
That shit sounds good as fuck. Everybody's running to their whips and shit. Shit, we hopefully you don't cut down the aisle we on. I low-key should have bought some of their food, cause then they low-key could not say shit about it. Tough. Gotta get every bit of content we can. That purple was tough.
That's why we gotta keep it chill.
shit's fire, bro. Alright boys, it's just a quick little update. Thank you if you made it to the end of the video. But you know, your boy has been hella busy. If you didn't know, which none of y'all know, none of y'all knew, your boy is planning on joining the military. So I'm gonna be gone for a minute. I got MEPS tomorrow. But as always, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you, shout out to y'all. I got a little shop for y'all. If you got a shop, if you got a pen, anything, join your boy in this. But I gotta lay down and take this one real quick. Not just one, two. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to hit more meets. Not too often though, because your boy got a little family. So I hope you enjoyed and stay tuned for the next one.